Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make sweet corn rice. I'm going to make this rice with basmati rice, long rice. For 1 cup of basmati rice, I mean for the 200 ml cup, I have taken 1 cup. For that I used 1 sweet corn. If you have a corn cutter, you can use that. Otherwise you can use knife to remove the corns. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make sweet corn rice. See, insert the corn into the corn cutter, give a press, twist the corn, automatically it falls down. If you don't have corn cutter, you can use your knife and remove all the corns. That also I have shown in the video. Otherwise you can use your hands to remove the corn. It will take time. That's it. Sweet corn has lot of fiber content. Fiber helps you to stay fuller for longer time. So in this video I am going to show you how to make corn rice in a pressure cooker. The another method, keep rice separately, strain the excess water. Finally add the cooked vegetables in rice. Now the corns are ready. Now take 5 to 6 pieces of spring onions, bunch it together and cut the bulbs of spring onion that gives flavor to the rice, and then cut the green part. You can use the greens in the end of the recipe. This greens is a long hollow type. It is tubular in shape. Use sharp knife to cut. Use these bulbs of onion when you make a rice, and this greens to garnish finally. Finally, when you garnish with spring onion chopped leaves, it gives beautiful color. I have taken in a 200 ml cup 1 cup of basmati rice, chopped spring onions, ghee 2 tablespoons, cooking oil 4 tablespoons, salt as per required, pepper powder 3 tablespoons, bulb of spring onion, garlic 10 pieces, green chilies 7 pieces chopped, 1 carrot chopped, corn. So these are the ingredients. After rinsing the rice 3 times, pour 400 ml of water, soak it for 10 minutes. On the stove, heat the kadai, pour oil, then add ghee, just grease it. Then add finely chopped green chilies, garlic, add bulb of spring onions, then add chopped carrot, saute it well, allow it to get cooked. If you get country corn, you can try in the same way. Country corn is not available in my area, so I am using sweet corn. Now add the corns, mix it well nicely and keep it in sim for at least 10 minutes. Wash the basmati rice 2 to 3 times, then only the starchiness will go and fried rice comes in a perfect way. It won't be sticky and soggy. Now add pepper powder, salt, soaked water and rice. Just mix it well. Close the cooker. Keep it for 3 whistles. Don't overcook. Now, once the pressure is released, open the cooker. Garnish with chopped spring onions. Mix it well. See how it has come nicely. See, it is cooked in a perfect way. It's not sticky or overcooked. So now yummy sweet corn rice is ready. You can serve it hot. Any dal gravy, vegetable gravy goes well with it. You can try with paneer gravy also. It tastes very good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try the recipe, subscribe, like and comment it.